stammered. She's stammering a lot. So what if it was like this prank school that it was like the opposite school where you would have to fail to like pass a grade?
Oh my gosh. Okay, so on the bus, we were going towards the school and everything. And so after that, we were like, there was like, never mind, I don't remember. I'm forgetting. When I talk about it, the more I talk about it, the more I'm forgetting.
Guess what? So people in my class were coughing. So I kept my mask on, and I do it every day. I keep my mask on every day, but everybody started putting their mask on because this is what the boy would do. So he has his mask on, then he would go like this.
What? You don't want the journey. You want everybody else to get the journey.
He was like, because and whenever he would sneeze, he would go like this. Achoo!
Does he really?
Yes!
And his name is like Daniel.
No.
He'd be like, because his mom works at the school, so he would be like,
Oh no, I'm sorry. I'll get it away from that person.
Yeah.
But you wear your mask anyway, right?
yeah. He's 2 tables away from you, so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But that's it.